Today we're looking at branch piece. For instance, three developers are working on the same code base. You have John with his computer, Paul with his computer, and Jay with his computer. Then they are working on building a project, and they are working on the landing page. John, after working, he pushed the code to GitHub, which is the remote repository. Paul wants to push, and Jane wants to do the same thing. How do they do it in such a way that, take for instance, the color of the landing page, the home page, the landing page, that's the header section. John wants it to be red. Paul wants it to be blue. Jane wants it to be yellow because they are working differently. That is where branching in Git comes in. A branch is simply a version of the repository that diverges from the main branch. What we are talking about by this is that in Git, the default branch is called the main or the master branch. When these three individuals are working together, rather than push their code at the same time to GitHub, what they have to do to avoid what we call conflicts in programming is that they have to create separate branches, work on those branches. That means John had to create a local branch on his computer. Paul had to create a local branch working on a feature. Then Jane had to create a local branch. So when they do this, that branch is going to allow them to work on different versions of the project without having conflict. So to create a branch, I will show you how to do that right away. To create a branch, the first step, create a branch. The command to do that is git branch and the name of your branch. Let's say landing page. But that will be the name of our branch. So to switch from the master or main branch to this new branch we are creating, we are going to switch to the new branch. We are going to use the command git checkout and the name of our branch. Our branch is what? Landing page. Once John does this, then it's going to have a separate version of the code. This is it, guys. I hope it helps.